Are you looking for the best buy on the road in a sporty four-door sedan that gets incredible gas mileage? If so, this one's for you. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, and today I'd like to show you this absolutely gorgeous 2023 Nissan Altima SR. Your SR is your sporty model. Around back, dual exhaust outlets, rear park assist sensors, chrome rear bumper protector, backup camera, factory rear spoiler, SR badging on the trunk. Really sharp 19-inch alloy wheels with a great set of hand-cooked tires. More than enough room for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to rear USB ports located in the back of the center console. It's deep blue pearl with sport interior. Color keyed door handles, contrasting black mirror caps, part of that SR package. LED daytime running lights, projector beam headlights, forward collision sensor in the middle of the grille. It's also equipped with passive keyless entry. Bucket seats, leather and cloth, power seat, embroidered Berber floor mats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, blind spot warning that also comes with rear cross traffic alert. Power trunk release, automatic headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, you've got paddle shifters, trip computer functions, audio controls, Bluetooth, and cruise. Only 37,000 well cared for miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, backup camera, heating and air controls, more USB ports, an auxiliary audio jack, a 12-volt outlet, push button start, console shifter, keyless entry key fob including remote start, factory owner's manual, and Carfax vehicle history report. If you'd like to know more about this 2023 Nissan Altima SR, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.